As a leader, how are you and your people using AI in your organization? And there are different levels at which you can use it. I've worked just in the last week with 3 organizations who are using AI in their businesses. And it's interesting because all 3 of them, their people are using AI at different levels. So one is a big business, you know it, is a very large name, and they're going to bring in AI throughout their workplace. But before they do that, they want people to get comfortable with AI. So they brought me in to show people how to use AI in their personal lives using ChatGPT for doing things like recipes and planning trips and just basic stuff that they do in their personal lives. The second organization, I spoke at their conference, and this is again a large organization that has different departments around the state of Western Australia, and they're using AI, or they want to use AI in their professional roles. So just to handle things like newsletters, sending out newsletters, and dealing with people in their teams, and the sort of managing their emails, the sort of stuff that lots of organizations are doing now, and lots of people, maybe even in your business and your organization, are doing. And the third organization is more of a high-tech organization. They're building AI into every aspect of their operations. And they work in the Mining and Resources Center, so they're engaging developers to build AI platforms that help them in the core work that they do. So you can see that these 3 uses of AI are all really valuable for their particular business, but they're at very different levels. And I reckon there are actually 4 levels of AI use. So the first one is personal, using AI in your personal life. The second one is professional, so using it to improve your role at work and using it for things like managing emails and analyzing spreadsheets and those sort of simple day-to-day things. The third level is projects, where you get a small group of people to work on an AI project that will deliver value. And it could be a very small project, like adding a chatbot to HR documents, so it's easier for people to find documents. And the fourth level is the highest level, which are platforms. And these are AI platforms that either you build or you buy in, that will help you with your core operations. So what level are you working at? Are you looking at personal, professional, projects, or platforms? And you might even find there are individuals and teams in your business, in your organization, who are working at different levels. But at the moment, in 2026, we're more than 3 years now since we've got access to generative AI, there are people still at different levels. And there's nothing wrong with that, as long as you understand what level people are at and what they're willing to accept, what they're willing to learn, and where they are at the moment. If you'd like to know more about this and what do's and don'ts for AI in 2026, please come along to my free public online presentation soon. You'll find the link to register here. And because it's about AI in general, but especially for leaders, invite other leaders in your team and your network as well. I'm sure you'll get value from it. I'll see you in the future.